Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I have the pleasure of sharing with you of unboxing the Thai Airways Airbus A380 scale 1160. And once again, thank you for watching, and also thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button so that you can get a new update of the new video that I put on YouTube. And also I want to say I'm deeply appreciate for all of your support of watching my video by subscribing to my channel, make some comment on my video, and also like my video. I really do appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And thank you also for your continuous support of my channel. And without further ado, I will unbox this Thai Airways Airbus A380 for you. Let's enjoy it together. There you see Airbus A380 Thai Airways, and I really love that orchid logo on the plane. Especially really stand out with that white body paint, and also that purple and gold and red stripe on the back. And when it take off into the sky, it's just so beautiful. And I just flip the box over, and we can see the wing and the engine and the registration number I'm sorry, HS-TUE. And with this registration number, it will tell us a lot about this aircraft for this airline. There we can see the landing gear, the stand, fuselage, okay. This is Thai Airways aircraft Airbus A380. And it's belong to the Thai Airways International Airline. is flying international with the hub in Bangkok, Thailand, and it fly all over the world. And a little bit about this aircraft. This Airbus A380 was delivered to Thai Airways International in October of 2013. It was a ferry from Toulouse, France to Bangkok. And just like any other Airbus A380, it equipped with 4 Rolls-Royce engine. There you see the Rolls-Royce. And yeah, all right, let's connect all this together. All right, let me put the wings on. This aircraft now is not in operation, and it is being stowed in Bangkok, Thailand. And the Thai Airways International named this aircraft. It got its name, and they named it Sriracha. That's the name for this aircraft. And this aircraft here was withdrawn from use and stowed away in Bangkok, Thailand since April 1st, 2020. So I guess during the pandemic, there are not much of a demand in air travel. So many airlines would stow away all the most of the aircraft, especially all the long haul and the big aircraft that carry a lot of passengers. So since there not many people travel, there's no need to use the big aircraft. So I probably think that they probably downside the aircraft from Airbus A380 to something like Boeing 777 or something like that, because there's not much demand in air travel during the pandemic. But now that the pandemic is slowed down and people start to get back to air travel and travel to different part of the world again. Okay. All right. Look how neat. Nice bird. The color just stand out. The white body paint and the purple paint over here, and the white stripe, the gold, the red, and the purple again. It just stand out, especially when it take off into the sky. Okay. Now let me put the landing gear. I haven't flown on Airbus A380 before, but my mother's did. My mother and my sister They have flown on the Airbus A380 many times when they travel to our home country. Okay. Okay. The color just so vibrant. And then the nose gear. Right. Yeah. Remember I mentioned that the name for this aircraft is called Sriracha. Yeah, I think this is that's the name, I think. And right there is that Airbus A380-800. And remember I said it equipped with the Rolls-Royce engine. There, 4 Rolls-Royce engine. Such an enormous engine for this enormous plane. And depend on the configuration of the airline, this aircraft can carry up to 530 people. Some airlines have a 3 configuration, meaning economy, business class, and first class. And some have just have first class and economy class. Or some have business class and economy class or economy premium. So different airlines have different seating configuration and accommodation. I really love the color. It just so beautiful and so stand out, and it just make a good contrast when it's up in the sky, in the clear blue sky. You got a blue sky in the background, and you got this flying jet here with a majority of the body painted white and the tail fin painted purple, and the purple, red, gold, and white stripe to the tail of the plane, to the back body of the plane. I believe that every time this aircraft land and take off, it just show off to the other airline or to the other aircraft that make way for the king because of this its enormous body. So as I was mentioned that since this aircraft was delivered to Thai Airways back in October 2013, so the age for this aircraft is almost 10 years old, but because of the pandemic, it's being stowed for the last 3 years, or almost 3 years at least. And I would love and hope to see this bird back up in the sky, carry many people, many passengers to different destinations. So this is a flag carrier for the Thai with the picture of the orchid as the logo for this aircraft. I mean, from any angle, it's just so beautiful. From the back, from the front, from the side view, any view you look at it, it's just so magnificent. And as you can see that lately I've been unboxing only Airbus A380. Yeah, with the first one as being Korean Air, second one as Qatar Airways, and then third one Etihad, and then the fourth one Emirates Airline, and now the fifth one here, Thai Airways International, Airbus A380. And I have a few more Airbus to unbox. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find the information that I share in this video about, or the fact about this aircraft, and you found it useful and know more about this aircraft. It may be just a model, but it is a replica of the real aircraft because it came with that registration number belong to the real aircraft. So this aircraft here, it have a lot of story to tell. So if anybody who have flown on this Thai aircraft, Airbus A380, would have a personal memory or personal attachment to it, which is normal. Everybody loves to travel to different part of the world, whether to go see a family vacation, or a business trip. The aircraft here make it easy for you to travel from one place to another at ease without any struggle. You want accommodation, you can get a first class, business class, or you want something more economical, you can just fly on the economy class. I can go on and on about this aircraft, but the episode today just come to an end, and I just want to say thank you for all your support and continuous support for my channel, especially that you taking time out from your precious and valuable time to view my video. And I hope that my video of unboxing the aircraft found it entertaining for you and enjoy them as much as I do as I open them here for you and share with you throughout the world. It's always been my passion with this aviation and the aircraft. I think this video is probably a little bit longer than the rest of the video that I have made so far, but I just thought that instead of just doing the normal unbox and assemble or just a review, let's just give a little facts about this aircraft. Like I said, every aircraft have its own story, and what I have shared is the story of this aircraft. And again, thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button for more video update. Thank you and have a wonderful day.